Hello, my viewers. Hello, this is Ruben, Arubby. I'm just, today it was a nice day. I took my daily activity out somewhere else. So you remember the previous AC air conditioner that broke. I broke the pieces, and those pieces I had to bring them to the junkyard here for collection. So here we brought them, and you can see that bulldozer is throwing those pieces of metals like paper, flying in the air like paper. He was so busy here with this machine, and I broke all the pieces that were needed into small portions that you can carry them. Then I brought them here at the junkyard, and then we separated copper. I separated copper from the metal, and they paid us some money. So this is what we did today, and that is how we did them. Everything will be showing there. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, and you're welcome to my channel, Arubby, Arubby. If you are a new watcher, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, please continue to watch some more so that you can promote my channel as we keep going on. Thank you. I value all of you who are watching and who are sharing and giving me comment, and also helping me to adjust in every part of this video. Thank you, and keep watching as we go on. So this is a very interesting day, as you will be seeing. So this is where they weigh the car when you're entering, and you offload, and when you're coming back, they weigh your car again. I'm gonna cut you. From? Awesome. Everything else goes down front. Copper core right there, and it goes down front. Even this one? Yeah, down front. Okay. Got a big boss here. This is the heaviest one. Part of the AC. Bring them here. Start of it. this is the it's called scrap metal collection area. So this we brought here were parts, pieces of the AC that we changed. So we have to bring it here. They separate the metal from the copper. So those ones I returned inside are copper pieces that I'm gonna be taking to another place. They have to be weighed separately and be done separately. But this one that you view here were metal pieces. We are done with them and now we are leaving. We are going to the copper area. But we'll continue to record this side as we go on. Go around, go around. That area. And that machine, that's the bad machine that is cutting these pieces into pieces and putting them in the right places. So this is my today's activity. As you always know, we always have something to do, and that's what we do. That's how we did it. So thank you for watching. I'll continue to record for you this area. See all these cars, from the accident, from anything happening, we bring them here, smash them, and put them into their places to be reused again. There are some more vehicles down there that are crushed and be placed into these places. They separate rubber from metals and everything. Everything are being separated here. This is the place they do it. Keep watching. Very good. Zoom them in, zoom them out. This one's here. Yeah, because those cars, those had accident, and look, they are just here. Oh wow, that was a nice Range Rover, but it's already crashed and it's going back to where it came from. So that's how they do it here. Now we are leaving that side too. Wow, so many. Okay, let's take it over there. Five, 120. So this is where the this is the office where they give you the payment of what you've earned from this from the things that you wrote. So that's how it works. You go the way you come in, go to the weighing scale over there, And then you go drop them over there where we go. And then yeah. So you go up there, drop them over there, and then this is the scale that weighs what you have, and then it weighs also when you're coming back, and then they take the difference, and that difference is what will be the weight of what you got. And after that you get the paperwork, and then you get paid here in the office here, and then you drive home. Yes, so that's how they do it here. And lift it up and take it all the way up if you can. And then you can do go some more up there. So that's how it's done. Just got our money. So paid for the good job that you did. That's how it's done. You bring your stuff here, you don't throw them everywhere, and then you get paid back. And this is how we do it. That's how we do. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and subscribing. I will be sending you some more events of what's happening on my daily activity. We did it! Got our money back. Thank you.